What's going on, Blade Breakers? Here we go with another unboxing. Today I don't know what this is. Mystery package in the mail. So let's open it up. See what we get. Okay, let's start with the corner. Okay. So let's see. First package is, oh wow. Got a Trigger HMS. Wow, that's pretty cool. A124. So we're gonna open this in another video. I'll put that right there. The next one got is let's just cut this package a bit more. You might be careful not to break anything inside though. Oh man, this package. There you go. So we got a Strata Dragoon, or Gaia Dragoon MS, A123. Yeah. Okay, and finally, oh, got some more stuff in here. Some extra winders. That's always nice, in case, the ones inside are broken, because I've seen a lot of them are usually broken when they are in the package for some reason. I'll leave those there. And then take out the final package here. So that's it. There's nothing left in there. And then here it is, just seal MS. Packages are kind of foggy for some reason. Anyway, 123. No, sorry, 125. A125. And yeah. So I'm gonna be doing unboxings on all three of these. And of course the media you saw in the background, I'm gonna be doing one unboxing on that, as well as this keychain top thing. So yeah. And yeah. So if you guys like the video, click the like button if you want to see the unboxings, and stay tuned for more. Peace out, guys.